Muslim boys' names starting with B with meaning in English. Part number 3 by I. Fechtner. Behlool means happy, origin Arabic. Behnam means distinguished, honorable, reputable, origin Persian. Behraam means planet, origin Arabic. Behrang means good color, origin Persian. Behroz means lucky, origin Persian. Behzaad means pious, origin Persian. Bayraam means humor, origin Urdu. Berezat means exalted, origin Persian. Berjees means Jupiter, origin Arabic. Barni means one who brings victory, origin Arabic. Baseet means wide, spacious, origin Persian. Basir means watcher, origin Arabic. Bihar, Bihar means Indian Ocean, origin Arabic. Bilal, Bilal means call for prayers, origin Arabic. Bilawal means to succeed, be successful, origin Arabic. Bisharat means good news, origin Arabic. Bismil means restless, origin Arabic. Boobak means honest, origin Arabic, Persian. Buraak means lightning, origin Arabic. Burna means adolescent, origin Persian. Bozid means to thrive, origin Urdu. Brinkar means fate creator, origin Persian. Buhaan means proof, origin Arabic. Buhairah means lake, origin Arabic. Buham means soldier, origin Arabic. Buhma, Buhma means invincible. Origin Arabic. Bukrat means morning. Origin Arabic. Bakshi means accountant. Origin Urdu. Buland means high. Origin Urdu. Buluj means light. Origin Arabic. Bura means out of danger. Origin Arabic. Buraak means bright. Origin Arabic. Burhaan means proof. Origin Arabic. Burhaan-ul-din means proof of religion. Origin Arabic. Burj means star. Origin Arabic. Burzin means respectable. Origin Persian. Burzishin means praise. Origin Persian. Busa means universal. Origin Arabic. Bushar means happiness. Origin Urdu. Busrat means rising sun. Origin Arabic. Bustan means garden. Origin Arabic. Butras means gemstone. Origin Arabic. Burab means father of the earth. Origin Arabic. Buzabiz means strong. Origin Arabic. Buzurg means old, wise. Origin Urdu. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Other tutorials with Muslim boys' names starting with B, part number 1 and part number 2 links are given in the description. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel. Please note that this video tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. I can't guarantee the accuracy of the meanings and pronunciation of names in this tutorial. Name can be spelled and pronounced differently. I would advise you to consult a local scholar for verification before deciding a name for your baby. Thank you very much. Keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. I Factner.